Students, today we shall read about singular and plural words. All countable nouns have two numbers, singular and plural. Singular number refers to only one person, thing or place. Plural number refers to more than one person, thing or place. Formation of plural numbers from singular numbers. Plural numbers are obtained by adding as to most nouns. For example, cat, cats, ball, balls, ant, ants, table, tables, etc. By adding es to singular nouns ending in s, sh, ch, x. For example, glass, glasses, bench, benches, fox, foxes, brush, brushes, etc. By adding es to noun ending in o, for example, hero, heroes, mango, mangoes, etc. Some words ending in o take only s from their plurals. For example, bamboo, bamboos, radio, radios, etc. When words end in y, the y is changed to ies to form plurals. For example, baby, babies, family, families, etc. When y comes after a vowel, simply s is added. For example, monkey, monkeys, key, keys, etc. Nouns ending in f or fe change them to ves. For example, knife, knives, leaf, leaves, wolf, wolves, etc. But some nouns ending in f or fe simply take s in their plural forms. For example, chief, chiefs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Some nouns are changed to plurals by changing their inside vowels. For example, man, men, mouse, mice. Some nouns remain the same in their singular and plural forms. For example, hair, hair, ship, ship, etc. Some nouns are used only in plural forms. For example, seizures, seizures, shocks, socks, etc. Some nouns do not follow any of the rules to change from singular to plural. For example, ox, oxen, child, children, etc. That's all, students.